Hello everyone, if you're trying to install Minecraft and you keep getting this error, app not installed as package conflicts with an existing package, then you have come to the right place because in this video I'm going to show you how easy it is to fix this annoying error on Minecraft easily. So first off, you're going to open up your web browser and then you're going to go on to this link. I'm going to put this link into the description of the video. You're going to download this APK editor on here, and once you're done downloading it, now you're going to go ahead and install it on your phone. So just install it. And after you're done installing it, you're going to open it up, and now you're going to click on to APK file on here, and then you're going to go to your Minecraft's APK. So just browse to your Minecraft's APK, click on it, and then click on common edit here. And here what you need to do is you need to change the package name to something else, because if you don't change it, then you will keep getting that error. So we're just going to put any text on this package name here. So basically anything you want. I'm going to write test on here and then click save. After that, it's gonna work on our Minecraft APK, so just wait for it. It can take a minute or two depending on how fast your phone is. And it's done. Now you're just gonna click on to install here, and it's gonna stage our APK, so just wait for it. You will need to enable that setting on your phone settings, so just click onto settings and then click install unknown apps. After that, click install on this, and now Minecraft will install on our phone. And there you have it, guys. As you can see, Minecraft just got installed on our phone. Now my phone is scanning the Minecraft APK. As you can see, the app is legitimate. There are no viruses. So there it is, guys. That's how easy it was to fix that annoying error on Minecraft. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. And I'll see you in my next video. Peace.